Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday we were at Lekki Conservation Center. We did have fun. I know you must have seen that. Got so tired that when I got home, we were already sleeping from the car, so there was no way I could make videos or go home. When we got back, what did we do? We wanted to go to the pool, but everybody was tired, so we went straight to bed, had our dinner. We made fried rice. Yes, you must have seen that as well. Made fried rice, had dinner, we baited, and practically everybody went to sleep. We didn't even watch TV. Everybody just went to sleep. So this morning we've had breakfast. We had egg sauce and bread with tangerines and tea. Right now I'm making soup for the family. We're going to have this as dinner, but I'm not completing the soup yet. This is meat. I already have beef and pomo in the pot, well seasoned, is boiling. By the way, it's a egusi soup I'm making. So I'm just going to add the turkey. This is smoked turkey. I got it from ShopRite. Guys, it is tasty, like really tasty, very yummy. You can have it like this, but I'm having it with my egusi. I'm cooking egusi elegushi. I'll just steam the meat so it's easier for me when we get back. While this is cooking, I will go and get ready with the family. The kids have already baited, the girls have baited. Just me and my husband remaining to bait. We'll bait and come out while this is cooking. Then when I get back, that's when I'll cook the egusi soup proper. I'll take you as we're going out. We're going to a fun park. From there, we're going to see the movie Barbie. Let's know what the whole craziness about Barbie is about. We're going to see that, then come back and have our dinner. We'll likely have lunch outside, but dinner we're going to have it at home. We'll see you later. Bye guys. Family. Asha, what do you want? Alili? How many come in the basket? I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. How many of 9? Here's the movie ticket. Sama, can you raise it up? Why not? Why not? Here's the movie ticket. I don't know how I got 7 children. Small me with 7 children. Chef Mommy has 7 children. 1 husband. That's a full village, yo. It's raining. Alicia. What one is next?
Trust my imagination with these Mojo Dojo.
Hey yo. Ash. It's not that. Ash. Alicia, did you enjoy the movie?
Yes.
Hi, Bobby.
What inside is close? Is that house close to this?
Alicia, go. Oh yeah, enter now, enter. People can go in. Only one person per one. Ash. Favor, enter now. Enter now. And now I think I want to be stronger. Claire, go in. Favor, jump now. Are you scared? Where's everybody? God, I beg you. Yeah, man. Favor, go now. Time is going, oh. Oh yeah, move this way and jump. Move this way, jump from here. Move. People are here. Move. Oh yeah, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Alicia, you can't go up, oh. Favor. Is she scared? Lift there. Oh yeah. 1, 2, ready, jump. Yay, Sasha. Bring him out, bring him out. No, I'm going somewhere else. Bring him out, let's go. Hey family, good evening. So we just got back from today's activity. We were at Silverbed Cinema to watch Barbie. From there we went to Upbeat for games for the kids. So we just got back and I'm heading to the kitchen to make soup. To finish the soup I started making so we can have dinner. See you in the kitchen, guys.
写给心灵的歌，四处流荡，仿佛被生活遗弃，听来谎言欺骗，虚拟背义，在你面前展现的惊人演技。原来每个人都酷爱人民币，上午开始溃烂，孤独成习惯，最后只是自己在黑暗中独伴，孤身一人才能把自己看清，把自己的心事给影子聆听，相信只有影子才会真的懂你，因为他在另一个次元与你平行。 身体早就已经被烟雾掏空，没了灵魂，只剩下了一副躯壳。每天浑浑噩噩，像活在梦中，再也找不到那种最初的快乐。Who do I have? Who do I have? 我还拥有谁，或者谁在我的身边？没有心思再去做那些无谓争夺，只配日复一日的过着愚昧生活。周而复始相信那些虚伪承诺，热落奚落还有寂寞独自撑过。但老天依旧没有给我正果，生活的枷锁还是没有挣脱。走在街上，四处都亮着。